If you're new to the thermal paper roll business, the most important thing to understand is this. Success doesn't come from buying the biggest or fastest machine. For beginners, the real challenge is learning the production process, understanding material behavior, and building stable daily output step by step. That's why, for new factories, we usually recommend starting with the 900A slitter rewinder. The 900A is designed to be stable, easy to operate, and easy to manage. It doesn't require a large team or complex technical background, which makes it very suitable for first-time operators. With the 900A, new users can quickly understand how slitting, rewinding, and tension control work in real production. It allows you to focus on roll quality, consistency, and workflow, instead of struggling with overly complex settings. Another important point is investment control. For beginners, controlling risk is just as important as increasing output. The 900A helps you start production smoothly, test your market, and build customer relationships without overinvesting at the beginning. As your business grows and your production becomes more stable, upgrades such as higher speed, printing, or automatic packaging can always be added later. Starting with the right machine makes learning easier, and for beginners, the 900A is a practical and reliable starting point.